Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. I just want to remind you to subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Now we are going to read a new text. It is about Ellen Young's family. It is really very interesting and it tells us about what happens when families work together. This lesson is on page 65 in the reading book. And now, let's start reading. Family's work. Ellen Young had a busy day at work. She put a cast on a broken arm, used a bandage to cover a deep cut, and helped 20 patients. Ellen is a doctor for children. Customers can get sick at any time. So, pediatricians work long hours. They have hard jobs. Ellen's husband works long hours too. Steve is a firefighter. At the firehouse, he makes sure the tools work properly. He checks the hoses and fire trucks. At the fire, Steve rescues people from hot flames and smoke. The firefighters all work together to put out the fire. When a fire alarm sounds, Steve suits up quickly. At home, the Young family works together too. Hannah sets the table for dinner. She also helps wash the dishes. Everyone has weekly chores. Mom and Hannah do the dusting and mopping. Dad and her brother Zach do the laundry. They wash, dry, and fold the clothes. Mom makes a shopping list each week. She lists items they need and things they want. A short time ago, Zach wanted a new laptop. The family needed a new washing machine. They could only spend money on one item. Both cost the same. They had to choose. Clean clothes are needed for school and work. A new laptop is nice, but did Zach need it? Ellen and Steve thought about their family's needs. They decided to buy the washing machine. And here we have a picture that shows us Hannah's brother, who's Zach, helping with the meals. So let's read the sentence. Hannah's brother, Zach, helps with the meals. And now let's read some needs and wants. What are some needs and wants? Needs are many, like water, food, shelter, and clothing. However, wants are like skateboard, video game, and basketball. And now let's read the paragraph. Zach knows that his parents have busy jobs. They bring home money to pay for their needs and wants. They needed that washing machine. Zach still wants a laptop. The family has decided to save some money each week so they can buy it in the future. The end. That was our lesson. Do you like it? I want you please to grab a piece of paper and write some of your wants and ask yourself, what can you do in order to buy them in the future? Are you going to save some money or ask for someone's help